Subscribe to BoostUpStation if you haven't, and today we are going to install AnyDesk in any Windows version. So first of all, go to this link and download AnyDesk and follow me to put security on AnyDesk so that no one else connect to your machine. So just click on download from here and select the download version 6 or whichever it is on the top. Now wait, it will be downloaded. Click on start download. And after it has downloaded, open it up, and here you can see it is showing us connecting to AnyDesk network. Now when it has connected to AnyDesk network, it will show you your address which you can share to others to connect to you. Now if you want to connect to some other desktop, you have to enter this type of ID from that laptops or computer AnyDesk right here. Now before doing anything, first of all we have to install AnyDesk. Just click on this button here, install AnyDesk. Now click on accept, click on yes in the pop-up menu, and now wait, click on install here, and now AnyDesk has been installed. Now we are brought to this page. Here you have to click on set a password. Click on yes in the pop-up menu so that whenever someone tries to access our machine using AnyDesk, he or she must enter a password. So tick mark this first option, enable unattended access, and here you must enter your password, whichever you want, and click on apply. Now we have successfully set the password. And if you want to record the session, like whenever you are controlling somebody's else machine, you can record that full window of their screen. But I don't want to record it, and the path is here itself. In this path, the recordings will be saved. So I don't want to record it. And that is it. Close it. Close it from here. Now let us try to access some remote desk. So you have to enter the ID of this desk into here. Like tell them to open AnyDesk and let them share this ID from here. And when they share with you, you have to enter that ID right here and then click on connect. So let me quickly show you by entering the remote desk ID. So first of all, we are going to try to connect to this remote desk using a password. So just click on connect after entering the remote desk ID. So now it is asking us for the password, and in the target machine you can see the accept request, but we are not going to accept it. We are going to enter the password, and if the password is correct, it will automatically connect to the remote machine without accepting the request. So you can just click on OK from here, from the host machine, and now you can see that we are connected to the remote desk or the target machine without he or she accepting our request, with only using the password. So let me close it now, and now we are going to try to connect to the remote machine without using the password, or you can say he or she accepting the request. So I'm going to click on connect from here, and now in the target machine you can see the accept request. So let him accept the request, and I am not entering the password here. So now after he has accepted the request, you can see that it is connected without we entering the password for it. So this is how AnyDesk works. And if you want to connect more machines, then you can just click on this top upper plus button here and follow the same process again. Now I am going to close it. So please subscribe to BoostUpStation, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.